Ooh. What? Oh wait, I didn't hack that? I swear I hacked that. I swear I hacked that.
Is PTR Pharah buff for you? No, I think it's a significant nerf. Most of my rockets are still not directs, which means in a lot of situations it's going to take 1 or 2 more rockets to kill people, which is super obnoxious.
I can flank sleep, okay? I can flank sleep. I will be on bridge and I will flank sleep them.
Okay. Someone's behind us somewhere.
Nice sleeping. No, dude! I actually slept Doomfist. Get down, Mr. President. Holy shit.
Running back, prisoner recall, weak. Nice.
Nice.
Okay, Kabachi, go Doomfist.
Okay.
They're going top, it's trying to get a flashbang here. Using his flash, but here comes the charge! And yes, very good, very good! Okay, here comes another boost! I'm stuck in the wall! Nice transcendence, we are surviving this! What an amazing team! The charge is popping off! Boom! Here comes the graviton now! She tries to use this! Here comes the cadet! They are all cadet! Boom! Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue sur c'est l'Underscar le Kir, mesdames et messieurs. On va trancher. On va tuer. On va dégommer. Croyez-moi! Croyez-moi, croyez-moi, moi. Croyez-moi!
Wherever you are out there. Hello. Sock Puppet and think 500. Sock Puppet for 2 months. What do you think about the state of main tank at the moment? Oh, I think sorry, I think the main tank's oh, what's that? I just can't finish my sentence. It's almost as if I'm just getting stunned mentally in every way. Sorry, that was a little bit of a haha.
No one can hide from that.
Just to be man.
What? 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 How did that not see? What?
Gonna go on a second.
Diva. What?
Why you show me that? Shut the fuck up, dude. You sound fucking more retarded than XQC, and I've never thrown a fucking game of yours, believe me. Fake news, okay? Wait, clip that, guys. Clip that. Somebody clip it and put it in the toxic channel in my Discord. The twomad. No, fuck. Nobody's doing it.
Thank you, Marlon! Who names them Marvin anyways?
What? Yeah, dash. Where do you get that from?
I got two.
That's a grab.
We win?
I got four.
Okay, nice. Holy shit, that's big.
Haven't left on point.
Whoa.
Big. Just watching on stream now. I'm on my way back.
I popped! Oh my!
Who is this? He's fucking dirty on Zarya. Who is?
Widow high ground.
That looks like a graviton to me. Save my beat for the graviton.
He's like trying to pre-fire me.
Ryan is in the circle thingy.
Leave him. Dead. We hit it. Rig one.
Remember when you thought you were dead? And then
Alright, well.
Spirit killed everyone?
Well, that was cool.
Holly, your nose keeps growing at an alarming rate.
Okay, I'm gonna draw debated.
Thanks for the entertainment.
Now entering the temple of Anubis.
Oh fuck.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Well, now that looks like a fucking dick did.
Thank you. My ultimate is almost ready.
Big guy.
Gonna die.
Hello, brain. Hello, where are you? What did I do there?
What the fuck? What? What?
You're abusing this bug?
Hey there.
Not a no reg on the Ana just then?
We get full charge on this and we blow him up. Okay, ready? Let's go. I feel bad, dude. You see it?
They're coming, they're coming.
I'm throwing the name now, landing in 5, 4, just playing on that corner. Let's go in, go, push it. Get you sleeping.
Holy shit! No, I didn't fucking jump before I do a thingy, okay? I'm up here. Oh, me.
I pulled them off for you.
Alright, whenever. I'm above you, Echo.
Oh, that.
If you left one? Yeah, whenever.
I'm pulling.
Go.
Everyone's dead.
Huge go.
Everyone's dead.
Oh my god.
That's gonna be my highlight.
Oh! You. Spark! Idiot. Spark!
Nice. He's off the edge again.
They're very good at suicide.
Yeah, fuck that idiot. Shut the fuck up, you kid. I'm cute.
Come on, man.
Just blame on the kid.
Blame on the kid.
Just reinforcing the fact
Dude,
that
I'm
I
17
couldn't honor you.
I'm 17 2 weeks. YOLO.
Yo, what are you doing? Goodbye.
Get the fuck on the fucking ready, dude! Yeah. I got a present. Your fucking daughter! I'ma hug that bitch! Next she go on my ass!
How about surfing though? Yeah, chat. You know the same thing. It's the same mechanic as Brigitte going really far, right? Look, I'll show you. You know how Brigitte can... You go like that, right? The shift cancels it, like the pull towards you, and you keep your momentum. So if an enemy Orisa pulls you, chat, and you're mid-pull, so like, you know, the line is at you, and then right as you start flying, you shift, you'll just keep flying. So you can surf enemy Orisa right clicks. The same mechanic.
No one can hide unless.
Wow.
It's gonna be in the movie. And then there's like a part in the movie where
Same here.
There is one. Right behind you.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Dude, if you would turn around. Tracer one.
Yeah, my bad. The Jerry's by me. You know, I should have. What? Her head was in the wall! Be careful. Oh my god, I threw. And dead.
Guys, we changed the platform from Streamlabs to Stream.
Watch out.
I can pocket you there, David.
Elements for today. Just so the media day can be betterly.
Keep behind them, I know you. Go, go. Oh, dude, that's TP! This is you! Oh my fucking god.
Nice, dude. With the nano. We'll have to see what they can make of that. There are going to be fewer targets than usual thanks to the nano boost, as well as the Sombra, who can simply translocate away. We'll have to see what exactly they can make of it. And here we go. There's the Ana. Are we going to be able to find the Pharah? Yes, you are. Going on to the Zarya next, and that's going to be at least a 3.
Doomfist is top left, like the top left, like a way top left. Way. Way top left. Doomfist is gonna dive us right now. You see him diving our backline right now. The Doomfist behind. Doomfist behind. Is my mic working? Does my mic work? I need confirmation that my mic works real quick.
This one. I'm a full charge on Lucky here. Come on, baby, Monkey's gullible. There we go.
I'm more fun than like this.
Nice. Good job.
I'm on anime.
Thing is that the Hanzo can arguably outduel Dan Twist on the McCree at mid to long range, and the other thing is that he doesn't have to get out of a position. Oh, Graviton comes in here from Harblue trying to contest as well as the nano boost, but so far with the buff as well as the Winston bubble, they're going to hold on long enough to actually move this into the second point.
Oh, so unlucky, man. World's best Graviton Surge only meant that they're sure that Clarity is going to get that point A. But to your point about this this Hanzo pick, check out this Ultimate Generation. You're already going to have that Dragon Strike online, and Harblue having used that Graviton Surge in that last fight means that Avian going to have to cede a little bit more space because Red Rex Earth Shatter also not online.
You know, Harblue tried to do his best there to shield the bomb with his personal bubble, but somehow it does still manage to catch Dan Twist in the back, and that's going to cause Avium to have to retreat even farther into the back line of this second point. You know, with their composition of the Reinhardt and the Zarya here, they I
don't know why I bombed it too. We're having fun.
You do it for the yeet.
Alright, dude, we did it for the play of the game.
I'll scream it. I'll scream for you, Dante. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. I'm ready. Let's go.
Nice! God damn. Work. I know. Wow. I got a 5K.
What the fuck?
I got a grab right here.
Thanks, Codebreaker. Don't know what I do without you.